This is an account of events when 4 children were killed on the beach in Gaza, and what happened to the family left behind. Already a humanitarian crisis, Gaza is worsened with each conflict. Thousands have died, many of them children. Children like Saha's son, Ismail.
إسماعيل كان نشيط وشاطر وحبوب ومضحكان وخفيف وإن كل الناس تحبه. كان حبوب، سنه دحوك، شاطر، جدع، كل المميزات الحلوة اللي بالبني آدم تختلف بإسماعيل.
Just 4 children playing on the beach.
ابن عمي شاط الكورة بعيد على الكونتينر، ورحنا أنا وابن عمي إسماعيل ورحنا نجيب الكورة. طلعت منه أخبر أخويا إنه ما لقيناش الكورة.
None of the children knew what was about to happen.
لو صفوا الصاروخ.
As the children ran away, a second rocket struck. Muhammad, Zakaria, Ahad, Ismail, 4 innocent lives taken.
كان صفوا الصاروخ أنا وقعت بمجموع الملدين. لو صفوا الصاروخ هنا لو أنا كان متت.
Saha hadn't heard about the events unfolding, but she felt something was wrong.
سامعين الضربات وأنا قلبي حسنة.
She was at home, cooking Ismail's favorite dinner, when she heard the news.
بتقول لي يا مرت عمي يا مرت عمي عن شباك المطبخ، وين ولادك؟ قلت لها هي ولادي كلهم حواليا. مرقت أنا لسه بدي أمرق من باب المطبخ اللي أنا بطلع في ولادي ناقص إسماعيل. بقول له صرخت صوت من جد عقلي، بقول له يا محمد إسماعيل مش موجود يا محمد، بقولوا في ولاد مستشهدين على البحر.
She began to panic.
فقدت وعي، ما عرفتش إيش بعمل. لما أنا عرفت الخبر يا خالتي رحت صرت بقول لك فقدت وعي، فقدت شعوري، صرت أخبط راسي في القزاز السيارة، أولادي يمسكوني، قرايبي يمسكوني.
Saha raced to the hospital, and what she was about to see, no mother should have to witness.
شديتها من ايدي الإزلام وصرت أعبط في ابني. إيش ابني؟ محروق حرق، انشقفت شقف. إيش شعور ام بتشوف ابنها في الشكل هذا بده يكون؟
The people of Gaza are trapped on all sides. Almost everything was damaged in the conflict, even the hospitals. Islamic Relief is the largest international relief organization in Gaza. We're helping to support 9 hospitals. At Shifa Hospital, we've provided an intensive care unit, equipment, X-ray machines, drugs and disposables to ensure the emergency department and surgeries operate effectively and efficiently. We've improved the neonatal services with training and equipment like ICU monitors and transport incubators. We're helping to rebuild children's lives. At the Artificial Limb Centre, we've provided hundreds of children with prosthetic limbs. We're also providing post-traumatic therapy for children living under daily threat of attack. And our social safety net programme focuses on families in deep poverty. We're getting family members into employment so they can provide, restoring dignity. We're even providing power. Our solar-panelled school in Gaza not only provides electricity for children to study, it also lights up the whole community. Subhanallah. Together, we're rebuilding Gaza. And whatever happens, inshallah, we won't stop providing humanitarian support. Over 10,000 homes were destroyed in the last conflict. People already living in poverty now live where they can, in caravans, containers, and even tents. Unemployment in Gaza is the highest in the world. Before the last conflict, families like Saha's already had nothing. Now, she's even lost her son.
ايه شعور ام تشوف ابنها راس مخه عامل زي الزيت على المخدة طالع المخ.
It's impossible for us to imagine how a mother would feel seeing their child literally in pieces.
ايدين قول فسيخ مفسخينه متفسخ، اعضاء جسمه كلها مفسخة، اللي كان زي الزلاطة.
In the Quran we are told, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. But Saha has almost given up hope. Like so many in Gaza, she feels the world has forgotten about them. Because as soon as the conflict ends, the media attention moves on. And they struggle to survive in what is often called the largest open-air prison on earth.
أنا بتمنى كل يوم يجي الحرب ياخدنا بس مرة واحدة، ما يخلينا نتحسر على بعض، لأنه مش عايشين، إحنا مش عايشين. أنا بطلب الموت، أنا واحدة من الناس بطلب الموت. كنت لما نطلع فيه أحس أنا عايشة، هلقيت أنا ميتة، قلبي بنزف، قلبي مجروح.
The one who helps those in poverty is like the one who strives in the way of Allah. Subhanallah. You can do something to help. Don't forget the people of Gaza. Don't forget people like Saha and her son Ismail. Please, donate now to Islamic Relief and gather the rewards of Ramadan.